What's up guys, back again with another unboxing video. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet today. Bought a new tripod because the old one is pretty bad, and thought I would like to make an unboxing video of this. It's a ROLLEI, bought it in Flensburg. It will set you back 129 euros. Not the cheapest one, not the most expensive one. And let's take it apart. Let's see what's inside the box. A little bag for it. This is the ROLLEI C50i Carbon tripod. Yes. That is it. Very nice carbon. Inside the bag there's an extra little pouch with some tools and some rubber duds for the legs. And 2 mounting points, so you can have 2 cameras. Now this comes in multiple configurations. First of all, I will start with the normal section, and the legs here are locked in different places, so you can mount it however you like. And there are one more setting, like this one here, and of course you can adjust the center rod here. You can put another camera on the bottom here. The last one here, the most normal one, like this. And then to open it, just turn this knob here. And then another one. And let's take all 3 of them. It's quite easy. This, and the last one. I like this better when you turn these here instead of a switch where you have it. So, pretty nice. Here, and the rotator here is pretty smooth. There won't be any noise when you turn your camera. The big knob here is to loosen or tighten the top here for adjusting the camera. Just simply turn it to the right and it will fasten it, and turn it to the left and it will be loose. The other one here is for the slide for mounting the camera. That is it. And it also has the capability to become a monopod, and I will show you that now. Just loosen this here, take the top off, like this, take it off, and the next one here, this one, take this one off. There's a little bolt here, and this one, then this will slide off. And you can do it 2 ways. This is to extend it. And then you can use this leg here, just unscrew it. You have a monopod. And put this one in here, if it's needed. You have a monopod. And to make it a bit taller, Same procedure. Like this. And it's extended even more. Put this one in here. Tighten it. And the last one. And you have an even bigger monopod. Pretty good, huh? And all that for 129 euros. So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this little video of me unboxing a tripod. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Remember, push that subscribe button. Help me. I want more subscribers. I only have 12 at this point. Push the subscribe button. That will help me a lot. Thank you.